Baby, I'm not from Louisiana, but Danisha Show can motherfucking cook, period. Okay? I got up at 3 a.m. and remembered I needed to soak those beans. But yeah.